Here's some vernacular architecture trivia. Subscribe. What type of house is traditionally built by Inuit people in Arctic regions? Is it A, hut, B, tent, C, yurt, or D, igloo? The correct answer is D, igloo. What is the name used for a traditional Japanese house built with wood and sliding doors? Is it A, Shinto shrine, B, tatami house, C, Zen pagoda, or D, minka? The correct answer is D, minka. Which traditional dwelling in Mongolia is a portable tent made of felt? Is it A, yurt, B, teepee, C, bungalow, or D, igloo? The correct answer is a yurt. What is the name of the structures made from bamboo traditionally found in Southeast Asia? Is it A, koda houses, B, tree huts, C, bamboo houses, or D, stone cottages? The correct answer is C, bamboo houses. What is the specific term for a house constructed using stone, particularly prevalent in Europe? Is it A, log homes, B, timber cabins, C, stone cottages, or D, brick houses? The correct answer is C, stone cottages. What type of building, often seen in deserts, uses thick walls for thermal mass? Is it A, adobe dwellings, B, stone cottages, C, thatched huts, or D, glass skyscrapers? The correct answer is A, adobe dwellings. What is the term for a traditional form of Chinese architecture that features curved rooftops? Is it A, pavilion, B, temple, C, fortress, or D, pagoda? The correct answer is D, pagoda. What is the name of the iconic dwelling form used by Bedouins in deserts? Is it A, igloo, B, tent, cabin, or D, yurt? The correct answer is B, tent. What is the specific architectural term for a raised covered porch in colonial American homes? Is it A, veranda, B, balcony, C, gazebo, or D, atrium? The correct answer is A, veranda. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.